Good day. Today we're going to look at the Autodesk Plant3D Project Manager, and we're going to go over some introductory steps. We're going to go over opening Plant3D, the overview of the Project Manager, and creating and opening drawings. First thing we're going to need to do is open up Autodesk Plant3D. Typically, a shortcut will be located on your desktop, or you can go down to your apps and open up Autodesk Plant3D. After Plant3D opens, take a look at the Project Manager. Project Manager is typically located in one of the palettes on the side, and today we're just going to use the default project. Typically, the projects are set up by the Plant3D administrator, and that'll be covered in a separate video. So this being the Project Manager, it stores your P&ID drawings, your Plant3D drawings, and the available pipe specifications. Additionally, we have our orthographic drawings and our isometric drawings, both of which will be covered in a separate video. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new Plant3D drawing. Under Plant3D drawings is typically your 3D models. Under P&ID drawings is typically your P&ID drawings. Create a new drawing. Call this sample. If you have a specific drawing template that you want to follow, you'll select that here under drawing templates. It'll take a few moments for it to create the drawing. Now that we've created the drawing, it's gone and locked that drawing. So if we had this project on a network drive, other people couldn't open it while we're currently working on this drawing. We can then begin routing piping, following the pipe specification we're using. We can then go and select Save and save our drawing. That covers all that we were hoping to cover in this video. We have opened Plant3D, reviewed the project manager, and created and opened drawings. Thank you for watching, and take care.